OPEN stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is Opendoor stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of this down in this brief and short 1-minute video. And as the only guy in this space that has actually done 43,000 videos over 5 years and documented everything that's working. Again, it's all on my YouTube channel. I have seen what's actually printing me money and what's not. Opendoor has been just delivering very nicely, and guess who is here just trying to take things further higher and buy more? Well, that's me. And how this looks like currently is that here's the top of the range for me, and I expected a little pull down so I can take it further up. Actually, this confirmation that I'm getting now, I would say it's quite better, you know. Again, please do your own due diligence, but if I do not see any sort of a shift here moving forward, then I'm not going to be buying this market. And that's totally fair. Like, please do your own due diligence. Don't just listen to me blindly. There's obviously previous receipts in the Discord regarding Open, so there's no lack of coverage on this. And if you want to get my money making emails and insights for free and stay tuned, click the first link in the description. It's free.